Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to create an Apple ID. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon since you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Start by going to your web browser and after you do that, type in appleid.apple.com. Enter and as soon as you reach the official website, click on Create your Apple ID. To create your Apple ID, enter your first name in the first name text field. Enter your last name and on the second field, choose your country from the drop-down. Now, type in your date of birth and type in an Apple ID that you want to use for your account. After you enter your new Apple ID, go to the next field and type in a password. While creating a password, your password must have these criteria. Make sure to type in 8 or more characters while creating a password. After your password match according to the criteria, you'll see this kind of a green highlighted letters. Now, after you're done, confirm your password by typing it again. Make sure both of your passwords match. If it doesn't, then you'll need to enter it again in order to match the passwords. Now, on the next field, choose your country code and enter your phone number. Make sure to enter a phone number you can easily access, since it will be used to verify your identity anytime you sign in on a new device or a web browser. In order to verify your phone number, choose between text message or phone calls. If you choose text message, then you'll receive a verification code via text message. If you choose phone call option, then you'll receive a call from Apple along with your verification code. If you don't want announcements and new releases about Apple products, then uncheck these boxes. If you do, then leave it as it is and on the next field, type in the characters in the image displayed. If you're having difficulty in recognizing the character, then you can request for a new code by clicking on New Code. Look at the characters. Doing this will change the characters. Enter the character now and click on Continue at the bottom of the screen. Now, an email with a verification code has been sent to the following address you entered. Go check the code and type it in here. Open the email and select the verification code that you received. Copy the code, go back to the Apple ID page and enter the code, or simply paste it and click on Continue. Wait for a verification code to be sent on your phone number on the next page and type in the code that you received. After that, click on Continue one more time and you have successfully created an Apple ID. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.